Hi everyone, let me show you how easy it is to create QVD files manually. So let's rename the fields first. So just first field will be ID, second is country, last one is days. Let's set the table size. Change size, so it will be 3 by 3, and we give IDs 1, 2, 3, country UK, Spain, and the US. And our table holds number of sunny days. Obviously, since we live in UK, we don't get any sunny days, so if we are lucky, we get 10. In Spain, it will be 300, and the US probably 150. So we don't need the last one, so we just delete it. Can delete it. What we also want to do, we need to rename the table. So let's call it sunny days. And we just save it into the file. We'll call it sunny days QVD. Now we want to load this file into QlikView QlikSense. We can use generator to create load statement. Here it is. All we need to do is just copy and paste it into the editor and run it, and job is done. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to support forum and we'll do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.